G'day folks, this is another daily review video for S Group Forex Investment. So this is video 18. Just want to make sure I get the right number. As you see, we got our daily report here. Moving right along, of course, guys. So today the daily earnings was 0.4% on the money that I have in the system. And I got 75% of the earnings, which I received $41.65 today. So yeah, guys, I'm getting closer and closer to 14,000. I believe now I'm somewhere around like 80 something dollars, somewhere around there. 70 something dollars, 80 something dollars until I get to 14,000. And yeah, guys, I think I'm actually going to do a withdrawal video maybe the end of next week. I'm kind of thinking about doing that. I know I said I was going to wait till 15,000, but I'm now into 14,000, and yeah, I feel like doing that. I got bills coming up, and I got things I got to pay, so it is what it is, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm slowly building my team here, so I'd love for you guys to be a part of my team. You just click on the link, the sign up link down below in the description, and you can join my team, and yeah, you can start making money like this that I'm making each and every day, guys, all on autopilot just for having money in the system. So as you see, I've made all time now, it's gone up. Where's my mouse? There it is. $9,769.81 that I've made all time. So that's since October of 2020. And yeah, guys, of course, getting into some of the other things I was learning about today, the IPO, which is the initial public offering. It's like stocks, basically. So the way that works, guys, is that you have money invested in the system. I think in here there's actually a breakdown of the earnings. Yeah, here we go. Here's the breakdown. So if you invest $500, what happens is, like, say for example, if you invest $500, it's locked in there for a year, and what happens is they pay quarterly. So it means every 3 months you receive your earnings on the $500 that you invested. So you'll get 60% of that. The company will get 40%. And yeah, it's kind of like Forex. You know, you invest $1,500, you get 65%. The company gets 35%. You invest $5,000, you get 70%. The company gets 30. 10,000, you get 75%. The company gets 25. 25,000, the company gets 80,000, you get 20%. 50,000, you get 85%, and the company gets 15%. So every 3 months they give you the earnings, but of course the money is locked in for a year, and you can take that earnings and keep reinvesting, just like Forex, to move your way up the system. And yeah, guys, I mean, this is another side way you can make money. You know, like I said, there's those Forex. So there's Forex. You can have invested in IPO. So you can have essentially both of these running together. Or what you could do is you could take the money that you're making in Forex, you can throw it in the SIPO, which my higher up is doing. And then he also threw money in S Pharmaceutical, which is medical cannabis. It's kind of the same thing, guys. You invest in whatever stage, full cycle. You can do like in the individual stages: production, extraction, sale of products, or you can do the full cycle. Whatever amount of money you have, you just throw it in there, and yeah, your money's locked in, and you just start making money off of the money invested, guys. So liquidity mining is pretty much the same idea, but you're investing in their token system, guys. So you can have it locked in for 90 days, 100 days, 365 days. Investment size, you can invest in the tokens you have or money and lock it in there, guys, and just let it run on autopilot. So S Group, guys, all these options are available. I'm going to be getting involved in all those different investment forums, but for now I'm just going to keep it going with Forex, build this up, and then I'm going to start throwing money in other places. So this just concludes my daily review video, guys. I just want to keep these videos 5 minutes long. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can follow everything and all my results, so you can see, you know, in full proof what's happening and real results from a member. And don't forget to click on the sign up link down below, be a part of my team, or you can shoot me an email at the bottom of the page in the description. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.